I made the mistake of not planning ahead. When you have a busy life like I do, and you have to travel, you have long work days, you have kids that are going everywhere with sports and whatnot, you really have to be prepared to be successful. And I was not prepared at first, and that led me to more problems. So what I would do is, even on days I knew I was traveling, I wouldn't make plans and I wouldn't have a lunch ready to take with me. What I ended up discovering was when I'm out on the road traveling, or I'm trying to get a kid to practice and I do get hungry, I tend to make a bad decision and reach for what's fastest, easiest, and most convenient, which is almost always fast food or junk food. And those decisions never end well. So what I had to change on this diet was I had to plan out everything ahead of time. So on Saturdays, I would think through and plan out all my meals for the week. On Sundays, I would cook all my food and prepare all my meals in advance, put them all in the refrigerator. And then during the week, I didn't have to think about what to eat. I didn't have to make any decisions on where I was eating or what kind of food I was eating. It was all as simple as wake up in the morning, take breakfast out of the fridge, eat breakfast, take a lunch with me to work, take it with me if I was traveling, put it in the cooler and take it with me. And then wherever I am, eat that lunch for lunch. And then when I came home, dinner was already ready. So even if I had to come home and I had 5 minutes to grab my son and take him to practice, it was very easy to simply grab a meal out of the fridge and take it with me to eat while I was watching him practice. What I learned out of this is preparation is always going to beat trying to white knuckle your way through a day. Be prepared, have everything ready so you don't have to think about it during the week, and everything gets much, much easier. If you're struggling and want some help, check out my free Skool community. That's where I post additional content, answer questions, help people stay on track. I'll put the link below in the description. As always, thank you for watching the video. Stay strong.